everyone! My name is Lian and welcome to my channel. And kung nandito na kayo last time, welcome back to my channel. So today's very exciting one because ta-da! Someone sent me this one and I want to show and I want to try this in front of you guys so that you will know also how good this product is. Thank you so much to Poi. She sent this to me to try this in front of everyone. This one is only 450 baht. Let's check this out. Okay, may plastic pa siya. So this one is really new. And the name of this product is Sherish. Like that. It is Sherish foundation powder. Sherish foundation powder. So let's see. So I have here, it says here, perfect matte foundation powder, extreme oil control. So if your face is oily just like mine, like that, pag buong araw, diba? So you have to use this foundation powder. So let's see. So now, ang ganda ng packaging. This one here. So it's black. I like it. And then it has the rose, I guess, the rose logo. Maybe that's their logo. It looks like a flower. Okay, so when you open that, oh, this one has a mirror. Wait. It has a mirror. So it has a mirror here. But when I look at the mirror, why is the mirror like this? It's not clear. Oh, that's why it has a plastic on. So let's tear this plastic on. There's a plastic cover. That's why I said, why this mirror is not clear as it is. I mean, mirror should be. So now I took off that plasticky and now I can see myself very well. Look. So this is the powder looks like. It has a flower logo or a rose logo as well. And this is number 2. The shade number 2. It's medium. So this one is not too white. This one is for brown one, so that is shade number 2. So I don't see the sponge, but we'll see. Okay, the sponge is there under. Okay, so when you do that, it'll be like this. Okay, so here is the powder, and then there is a next compartment. And there is the sponge. The sponge is soft. Sponge is very soft. It's not like that that sponge that it looks like a cloth. This one it looks like a foam cut sponge. It's not the cheaper kind of sponge. And we'll see. Let's smell. Oh. Smells so good. It smells like a rose. Alam ba yun guys, yung it smells so good. Look at that. It smells so good. I can't stop smelling it. It smells really, really good. Okay, so now we have seen this one. This one is medium 2. Let's open the I really like, I'm sorry, before that, I really like the compartment because it has a very big space. Like that. Let's open the other one too. See. And after that, I think this one is medium. I think this one is shade number 1. Let's see. So good. Lagyan natin dyan. So, Sherish guys. Sherish. It's not Sherish, it's Sherish. I don't know how you call it. It's Sherish. This one is originally, oh, this one is made in Thailand. This one is made in Thailand. And it is produced by Benny Cosmetics Corporation. Benny Cosmetics Corporation. That's nice. So Sherish again, is not Sherish. Sherish. This one. Okay. Same smell. Smells really good. Some smells like a flower. And as it is, there's a sponge here. And it is shade number 1. Okay. So I guess I am morena. I am morena. So I'm not really, I'm not fair. I have brown skin. So maybe shade number 2. So this is so this is it. So guys, this one is shade number 1, and this one is shade number 2. This one shade number 2, shade number 1. So I guess the best one for me is the shade number 2 because I have a brown skin and I don't want to look like I have a really white face and then my neck and my body looks darker. So let's try the shade number 2. So this one said that it is it controls extreme oil extreme oil, it says here, for extreme oil control. So let's see, let's try it. Ito yung wala akong foundation dyan. I have no foundation yet. I didn't put any powder too, and I didn't put anything there, just the kilay and the mascara and the lipstick. So let's try it now. Oh, it's super pigmented. Look, ang daming product na. Isang ganyan ko lang, oh. Daming product. So let's see, because this one is Wish Upon the Star. This one is a powder foundation, so it's not that creamy foundation. So that means that this one is not water-based powder. So can control the oiliness in your skin if you like. Oh wow, ito yung mukha mo kapag naglagay ka ng Sherish foundation. So like that. Oh, I have a hugas here. So as may red pa ako dito. I have a reddish here. So on my forehead too, I will put on my forehead. So I have also baby hair, a lot of baby hair, and also I have gray hair because it's in the blood. We all have baby hairs, white hairs, gray hairs. Yes. You notice guys that this one here covers the oiliness. Earlier here in my forehead it was wet and I was sweating and it shows a lot of oiliness and there's so like that. So now you look fresh. You look fresh na parang natulog ka ng isang linggo. Isang linggo na pagising mo, boy, you are full of energy and strength. At saka, you woke up like this. Joke. Yes, I think I like this. If you are into... I have to put also under here. Ito lang nakayanan ko kasi hindi ako marunong makeup talaga. But anyways guys, this foundation powder is really nice and this one is proudly made in Thailand.